Go. What's up, game? Right now, I died, and I have a bad thing here. Okay. You were able to see my hair color. Ooh. Cool, play me. I keep lagging. That's what I'm gonna call it from now. Okay, finally I'm able to see my body. Oh, I'm a pirate. And also, like, what? Oh, heck no. Nintendo 2222. Okay, you know what? Okay, sorry for that quick pause. Just something. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, someone's probably hacking. Yes, I can make it. You know what? This is a fail. Get one kill. He killed me. When I mean that. Yes! Yes, I killed him! Yeah, just dodged a bullet. Did I? Bullet. Oh my gosh. Okay, stop lagging, jeez. And then he killed me. That makes no sense. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna pull that. Stop lagging. Please stop lagging. Please. I don't like lag. Thank you. I don't like lags. And there's a. Oh my freaking gosh. He was waiting for that. This is a big fail. And how she died. Please. Oh my gosh.
Dude, I'm watching the Infinity War.
Okay. Oh. That was a good job. Now we get our second. Skirt. No. The end of the video because I keep. Let's hope I had 2 kills. Did I kill him? No, I was a shoot him. Oh my gosh. Bye. This is the end of the video, but also don't forget to leave a like, smash that notification so freaking YouTube. Have a great day.